Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is honestly one of the best videos for freshers because all three opportunities are from well-known companies and the roles are completely different. The first one is from Accenture, where you will work on AI, Python and cloud technology. The second opportunity is from Nuchange Informatics for Java developers. And the third one is a software support related role for fresh graduates. So whether you are interested in software development, AI or backend engineering, there is something for almost everyone in today's video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first company. The first company is Accenture and they are hiring for the role of AI/ML Computational Science Associate. This is a full-time in-office opportunity located in Bangalore and candidates with 0 to 1 year of experience can apply. If you don't already know, Accenture is one of the world's biggest technology and consulting companies operating in more than 120 countries and working with some of the largest enterprises globally. Now let's understand what you will actually do. Your primary work will revolve around Python development, automation, backend services, and AI-based applications. The company specifically mentioned that you will develop and maintain Python applications, build REST APIs, work on automation scripts, Python data, participate in debugging, and support analytics solutions. Apart from coding, you will also participate in code reviews, maintain technical documentation, collaborate with experienced development teams, and continuously learn new technologies. So, this role is not limited only to Python coding. You will actually gain exposure to cloud technology, data engineering, backend development. Now, let's know the skills they expect. The most important skill is Python. Along with that, they expect knowledge of object oriented programming, DSA, SQL, Git, and backend frameworks like Django, Flask, or FastAPI. They also mentioned Pandas, NumPy, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP, or machine learning concepts. As we see in data structures and algorithms in the job description, you will get a DSA question in your technical round. So make sure to check out this 15 plus top company DSA questions and lead code solutions. Now don't worry if you don't know every single technology listed here. Companies usually list their ideal requirement. If you are comfortable with Python, SQL, APIs and problem solving, you should still apply. Coming to the education, this opportunity is open for BE, BTech, and MCA graduates. So, if your goal is Python development, backend development, automation, this is definitely one of the strongest opportunity in today's video. Now, let's move on to the second opportunity. The second company is Nuchange Informatics, and they are hiring for the role of Associate Software Developer Java. This is a hybrid full-time opportunity based in Bangalore, and candidates with 0 to 1 year of experience are eligible. The company develops healthcare software solutions used by hospitals, clinics, and healthcare organizations. So you will be working on products that are actually used in healthcare industry. Now let's understand your responsibilities. You will write clean and efficient Java code, collaborate with engineering teams to develop new features, debug applications, improve performance, participate throughout the software development lifecycle, and continuously enhance existing applications. Now let's talk about the required skills. The company expects knowledge of Java and Spring Boot. Along with that, SQL, CI/CD, debugging, and software engineering best practices are also mentioned. If you have already built projects using Java Full Stack or Spring Boot during your college, internship, or personal projects, this role becomes much more stronger for your profile. Coming to the eligibility, they are mainly looking for BE, BTech 2025 batch, MCA, and MSc Computer Science graduates. Since this is a hybrid role, you will get a combination of office collaboration and flexible working. So, if your long term goal is becoming a Java backend developer, software engineer, or Spring Boot developer, this opportunity deserves high priority for your application. Now, let's move on to the final opportunity. The third company is Dahlia Technologies Private Limited, and they are hiring for the role of software support executive. This is a full time in office opportunity located in Ahmedabad, and the role is open for freshers. Now, this role is slightly different from previous two. Instead of pure software development, this position focuses on technical support and client interaction. Your responsibilities include handling customer queries, resolving software issues, coordinate with internal teams, giving software demonstrations, guiding clients on product usage, communicate through calls, emails, and meetings, and ensuring support tickets are resolved on time. So, if you enjoy interacting with people and solving technical problems, this can be a very good starting point. And I would definitely suggest you guys to apply for this opportunity because getting a developer job in this market situation is very hard. Just get into tech, whether it is support or developer, doesn't matter for now. Definitely, you will gain exposure in technical support and work on your projects, DSA, and resume upgrading, and finally upskill yourself into a developer. Now, let's discuss the required skills. The company is mainly looking for strong English communications, presentation skills, customer support abilities, computer fundamentals, teamwork, and problem solving. Notice something here, they haven't asked for advanced programming languages. That means fresh graduates from different educational backgrounds can also comfortably apply. Coming to the education, they simply require a bachelor's degree in any discipline. So, yeah, guys, these were the three opportunities. If you're interested in Python, automation, or cloud technology, then go for the opportunity posted by Accenture. And if you're passionate about Java, Spring Boot, or backend engineering, then second one is a good. And if you are looking for fresher-friendly IT role with client interaction or support, then go for the third one. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the apply link are in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.